Gulu's looking more and more depressed in the course of this program, as are all Indians tonight.
Arnab, I've listened for 15 minutes, give me 60 seconds. I think Shobha was making the point about is IPL cricket. Look, millions and millions of Indians think it's cricket, that's why we are hurt. So don't try and tell me it's not cricket, which is why we are so disgusted, angered, frustrated, absolutely livid at what is going on. So don't take the fan for granted. That's why accountability is wanted. Okay? Ultimately for me, you, I, Shobha, Gulu, all of us cricket fans are the only constituency that matters. I care a damn about the board, about some of these criminals who fix matches. Coming to Amit Yadav, how many times have I told you in your program since yesterday that these bans of 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, life ban is ridiculous? Take the Ajit Chandila case, it will illustrate it best. Ajit Chandila is 31 years old. He has no cricket left in his career. He used to play cricket matches for 1,500 rupees. He's made enough money. You give him a life ban. He'll turn back at you and say, thank you very much. I've made my money. I've cheated you enough. I will now enjoy my hunky-dory life. Look, the only thing that will solve this problem is exemplary punishment.
No, we have been saying this.
Let the police charge sheet them. One second, hold on. Let these people be made examples of, so that in future no Johnny takes us for granted. This is a far more important issue. And please, Shobha was correct in saying Sharjah. Don't limit it to India. Take it to the globe. Every league in this world is culpable. Every league. Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Australia, England. Our game, this game of cricket, is today suffering from a disease and a malaise which is far more dangerous than cancer. Do you have a remedy? Unfortunately, we do not. And that is why what forces me to say we are about to write cricket's epitaph.
No, it's all right. You see, what happens is I'm hearing... one second. It's all, Gulu put his hand up out there. The question is tonight one of trust. Now, what we have seen is that the BCCI is waiting to do two things. One is to look at this in a legal manner and to do everything to protect their turf. Okay. Secondly, they will blame the ICC anti-corruption unit. They will say they are not doing their job properly. I am not the government. Mr. Srinivasan has been saying this repeatedly. Yeah. The third thing is that they will wait for the dust to settle. Yeah. Okay? Right, Gulu?
Yeah, Arnab, may I step in?
Yeah.
Yeah, Arnab, you see, Atul made this suggestion, which sounds rather drastic, polygraph for the players. Now, Shobha Day rightly said it's an outrageous suggestion. But I'd like to extend this. How about polygraph for the officials and the franchise owners also? Why only target the players? Because if you're going to talk about the root cause of corruption, it goes much deeper than some fall guys who you're propping up. Exactly. And some, these players who you slap 1 year bans on.
I think this
and
is,
then
this
you
is,
let
no,
the
I can't, this is
no,
too much.
Okay.
You have got an incident, please, you have got an incident.
Why?
Where, see, what you are discussing, I don't know what is it.
One second. First of all, Gulu,
what you are discussing at this time is 3 boys by Delhi police.
One second. I think you just dropped your mic. No, I'm not interrupting you for once. May I just step down and hand you back your mic? That's all. If you can just hold your mic back, thank you very much. No, 1 second. I was not trying to interrupt you or censor you. I in fact want you to speak more openly. Yes, go ahead. Your mic is back.
Now you are telling me. See, this is not. You have not to make mockery of things.
No, how is Gulu Ezekiel making a mockery?
Why you should restrict the test to players only? Why it should not be to the? Do you think that any BCCI official will be a partner with this? What these 3 boys have done?
110%.
No, Mr. Ashok, please, don't make issues. Please, no. What? A person commits a crime in the street. A person commits a crime in the street, and you say that his father should be hanged. What is this logic? It is absolutely no logic. You say that a person commits a murder, hang his father.
What is what? Hang his father. It's not a silly argument like that.
No, it's not. It is a silly argument.
May I ask you one question?
No, she's asking you a question. She's asking you a question.
A boy gets allured by money.
I want to ask one
There are
question.
criminals.
So she's
there are
asking you
criminals.
a question.
You just listen first what I'm
No,
saying.
but she's asking
You're
you
not prepared to listen.
She-
Because you see what happens here is
Ask
you
me a
take a
question.
decision on one
Who
night.
taking a decision?
That's his
Asking
problem.
one
That is
question.
the problem.
No, I said it.
You see,
No,
you see
Mr.
what you can do?
Mr.
Can you conclude?
Mr.
Every speaker I heard here, every
Mr. Go-
speaker saying with one voice
She
that
says
it requires. Please, kindly, please
Politely, I'm
let me
asking.
finish. Let me finish.
Politely, one
Everyone asking that there should be a trial. These people should be booked. Yes, I say they should be booked.
Including the top
And
bosses.
whosoever comes,
Bosses.
even if it's a
Including
BCA
the top
official,
bosses.
book him also.
Including the
Book
top
him
bosses.
also.
Why not?
I'm not saying that you
Including
leave
the top
anyone.
bosses.
One question,
But
one
not
question.
like this that some people come and level a bald allegation and
I'm
say
sorry,
that,
you're being so
book a person.
defensive. You're being no
It's
one.
not-
One sec. Can I say? Can I say one thing?
I will not
Can I
listen
say?
to it. Please, I will not listen
Close
to
your
it.
ears if you don't want to listen
If
to
you
it.
no,
But we are allowed to talk.
why
No, if you don't want to listen.
you don't want
one
to
sec.
you are not talking you are not talking any sense.
No.
You're not talking any sense.
That's what you're saying.
This is not sense.
No, that's what you're saying.
You are saying
M-
there is an
Mr.
investigation,
Kohli. Mr.
but
Kohli.
the Delhi police officer
that's
comes
what-
on the TV who says that we have got many things yet
Mr.
to
Kohli.
connect, and you say why BCCI is not hanging
But
people.
one question.
Why
If-
BCCI is hanging
Mr.
people?
Kohli, one sec.
One question.
Mr.
He's not answering my question.
Mr. Kohli,
Your reaction proves that there is something
What
wrong
is
behind.
not fair? I am not. I say,
Mr. Kohli.
I just want to ask
anybody
one
involved in this
question.
Mr. Kohli,
serious
question
crime
from a lady.
should not be left.
Take one
Should not
question
be
from
left.
a lady.
Mr. Kohli.
Polite
Not be
question.
left. No, I am listening everything because I am listening
But you're not letting me
everything
ask
which
you a
has
question.
absolutely no common sense.
question.
Let her
It
ask
is
you
absolutely
something.
no common sense.
Let me ask you.
I am
one
not talking
simple
about law or
question.
anything
Achha,
else.
let her
There's no
ask-
common sense.
We'll decide whether there's common sense or not after I ask it. Are you saying tonight that the BCCI officials have absolutely no idea of what's going on? They've never had an idea that there was spot fixing,
Yes,
match
always-
fixing.
Yes,
that
yes,
they-
I answer you.
That's it.
I answer you.
Do they
I
not
answer
know?
you. Will you allow me
They
to
are not
answer,
sacred
ma'am?
goats.
Please.
Will you allow me to answer?
No.
Do you think that any crime which happens in this country, it's a crime? It's a crime.
Yes.
I am not putting it any betrayal or anything. It's a crime.
Yeah.
A crime has been committed,
Also betrayal.
and it's a very heinous crime. Comparatively with any other crime, yes, it is total breach of mistrust. It's a
we all know
breach
that.
of
We all
breach
know
of
that.
trust.
To the point.
It's a breach of
No,
no, listen.
We all know that.
Please,
That's
I have
the
not.
point.
I have not
No,
to
no, one
answer
second,
your
gentlemen.
point. I'm answering the question. Please,
One second, gentlemen. I'm coming in now. No. We've got other panelists. No, Mr. Goni, let me say with a little bit of firmness. I'm sorry, please. The fact is, you think that the people of this channel, and allow me to complete the sentence. You think the people watching News Hour tonight will say, "Oh, this started yesterday. It should stop tomorrow." Your response, I'm sorry to say, sir, your and the BCCI's response is this: "Oh, terrible. Started yesterday. We'll close it by tomorrow." And what I'm telling you straight, it didn't start yesterday. You know, I know, the whole world knows. And you know one thing, we will not let it be closed tomorrow.
There may be a mismatch.
No, ma'am, I'm telling you that only. And Gulu Ezekiel, Gulu Ezekiel, one sec, Gulu Ezekiel, why do you think?
I don't say no to it. I don't say no to it.
Well, listen to him.
It's
Gulu
simply
Ezekiel.
not possible that the BCCI is unaware and has been unaware all these many years.
Yeah, well,
if they knew it, why didn't they do anything about it?
Gulu,
Simple question.
limited time, 2 minutes on the debate. Gulu Ezekiel. So listen to the other
Sorry,
side.
this is
But
not a
it's
good
only
enough
one who is
response.
fixed is fixed.
Gulu
Not a good enough
Ezekiel, how do you see the response you're getting here from the only one representative of the BCCI on the program?
Yeah, Arnab, I think the response which we've got here is remarkable, because what I did was, I think I struck a raw nerve, me and Shobha Dey, and this gentleman went ballistic and hysterical because we hit the raw
Please,
nerve.
please,
and
I
I
live
think,
this.
No,
now the camera-
I can't listen to this.
No, sir.
I can't listen to this.
Sir, please.
No.
Sir, please, sir.
What? Talk parliamentarian, please.
Okay.
I don't listen to unparliamentary things.
One minute. Okay, easy.
You must know the meaning of words.
Sir.
Hysterian, you may go.
Okay, one sec.
You people are talking, you people talk for the purpose of this evening only. You forgot what is going to have tomorrow. You people talk for the purpose of the evening.
No,
Okay, one second. Let's keep it.
Forget what has happened yesterday. We don't forget what has happened tomorrow.
Tell my
forget what has happened yesterday.
tell my friend, please, Mr. Ashok, please,
Don't tell your friends.
Sir, may I please-
ask my friend, does he know the meaning of what he attributes to the
Okay, one-
Educated man.
He is not.
He is educated man.
Go and hug him. Go and hug him.
No, why?
Go and hug him.
You are not the only person.
Go and hug him.
You are not the only person.
Go and hug him, man. Go and hug him.
Don't dispute
Go and hug him.
this.
Go and hug him.
Don't discuss this.
If I call you, you are hysteric. Are you not being now hysteric? Now, if I say this to you, how you will feel about it?
Ashok-
How you will feel about it?
He is
one
an
second.
educated man. If you don't want to
Ashok
listen,
Pandit
you
and-
please close your ears.
Mr. Ashok Pandit, please mind your language. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, please mind your
So
language.
should you.
Please mind your
Sir,
language.
So do you.
No.
So mind your language.
No, you are using unparliamentary language.
Okay,
What are you doing?
1 minute.
I'm
Let's not
not-
be personal.
I'm not-
I'm requesting.
I'm not. What?
Ashok,
But I'm not allowing to people talk.
Ashok Pandit, Aslam Godi. One second. Let's just cool temper.
No.
We are not going. I want to say one thing tonight. Let's not be personal. We all respect each other. We are discussing an issue.
No.
We are discussing an
we
issue.
must know how we are.
Okay.
addressing other people. We must know.
One second.
We must know that.
Please don't take
Okay. Ashok Pandit.
Where you should not know the meaning of word.
Ashok. Now I want to say this. To Harish Bijur, 2 minutes on this discussion.
Which is you.
Arnab,
Harish Bijur, Harish Bijur, it does touch a honor with some way. When straight questions are asked,
Arnab, I hope I'm.
Mr. Bijur,
I hope
Mr. Bijur, let's reduce the audio as well.
Little bit of a yeah. Arnab, I hope I'm applying a bit of soothing balm on this entirely dissipated and really frenetic
Let him-
discussion, which is really necessary. I'm saying there's a very big issue, Arnab, and the big issue is everyone in this room and everyone outside who's interested in cricket, particularly the business of cricket, not only the sport of cricket, must be very, very worried today. Because please note, a brand is a trust mark. IPL is a trust mark. This trust mark has been breached time and again. Nothing has been done in terms of correcting the breach of trust of this nation. I think all of us need to wake up and say that, hey, listen,
We all
guys,
need to work
sort
together
out.
on that.
This is a breach of
Nisha
trust.
Millet,
If we don't do
Nisha
this,
Millet,
we are digging the grave of
Nisha Millet, you know, I know that you started cynically. I know there are lots of disagreements on this panel. This is what, at least we are debating. 1 minute. Nisha Millet, can we restore the trust in your view? Can we do that still?
I don't think so. I think this has gone beyond a point of repair because it's been happening quite regularly and nothing's been done about it. And you know, I mean, now you start questioning all the greats. Were they involved in match fixing? You know, Rahul Dravid's been called in to be questioned, being the captain of the team where, you know, so many people were already caught. You know, so it's really sad now for the sport of cricket. So every time they say, like, you see a small sign, it could be match fixing.
Yeah, but
as a viewer, how do you actually have that trust that, you know, your guys are out there doing the best? How many of these players would actually be there if there wasn't money involved? You know, so I think money and this dark underbelly has just ruined the sport. So I think it's start from ground up if they want to restore the trust.
Yeah, but
that the
Nisha, you know,
public has.
you're a swimming champion of this country.
You know,
we're all proud of you. If someone were to say from tomorrow, we won't believe that swimming can be believed anymore. You know how you'd feel. And there are a lot of people who feel equally attached with cricket. I want to go to Boria because I know he's as passionate as all of us. I want to say one thing, Mr. Goni, you're angry. All of us, everyone loves this game. We are here talking about it because this is cricket and this is India. Yes, Boria, what's on your mind?
Firstly, let me compliment Harish Bijur for making a very good point. 1 second. Let me just make a point, whoever that was, please. I think Harish Bijur made a fantastic point. Nisha, if we can have hope for Olympic sport, we should have much more hope for cricket. Let me not get down that line, because both of us know that. You know, if we have hope of Indian Olympic sport reviving and some reform, cricket is far better off.
That's true.
Look, I am not a cynical, a negative, you know, a sort of a non-optimistic individual. I am here in this program because I believe a corrective is in order. If I had given up hope, I would not be studying this game and not talking about this program. So for once, this is a game which millions and millions and millions of individuals in this country follow. Don't please take them for a ride and take them for granted.
Yeah,
and
we go.
say,
We
"Look,
go.
everything's
We're all
done."
together on that.
I don't care for the BCCI.
We are with you on that.
Okay?
Colonel
I
Call,
don't care
30
for the
seconds on the
BCCI.
program.
I
We're
don't
with you,
care for
Bori, on
IPL.
that. All of us, you're speaking our voice. Yes, Colonel Call.
I have just two suggestions to make, which are positive suggestions to get over this problem. One, that the BCCI has its own security organization which looks into all these aspects
I don't know.
and has the powers to do something about it.
Yeah.
Number two, that the massive education campaign to be brought in for all the players, the officials,
Yeah.
everybody, as to what you are doing to this game. These are two aspects.
Yes, Colonel Call.
Where there may be hope.
we-
I know Nisha
I hope
Patel
there
is not
is.
agreeing with me, but there may be hope,
We-
and we may be able to touch that raw
We-
nerve
we'll look for hope.
and get people back on track.
We'll look for hope. We'll ask the questions. We are following the investigation. I hope our viewers follow the story through the weekend with us as well and beyond that. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me on this debate tonight.